Hey guys, welcome to Review Radar. In this video, very shortly and quickly, I will show you how you can move mobile contacts to Gmail accounts. So guys, be sure to, of course, firstly log in into your Google account. After that, let us go into the People and Sharing tab. After that, as you can see, I have no contacts yet because it's just a dummy account. But you need to go to Contact Info from your devices and enable this feature. Alright. As you can see, this data is used to make these contacts easier to interact with across Google devices, regardless of which device you are using. Okay, after this guys, after pressing on this button, press on Google Contacts, and in here, it's very simple. If you want to import your contacts from your phone, you will firstly need to, of course, export your contacts from the phone. There's going to be a certain file that you will need to download, alright, export. Then you need to just basically click on this import contacts and all of your contacts will appear inside of your account. Alright, so this is very, very simple. And that's how it's done, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe and like it. See you next time.